Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind. So in this video we are going to see about the newly launched Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Watch this video till the end, and if you're new here, I am Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So on October 9th, Google has launched their new two mobiles. The one is Google Pixel 7 and another one is Google Pixel 7 Pro. So let's see some of the details about the both phones. So Google Pixel 7 has 6.3 inches display and the Google Pixel 7 Pro has 6.7 inches display, and both have the Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And in Google Pixel 7 the display of the mobile is flat, and in Google Pixel 7 Pro the display edges are curvy, so you can able to see in these images. And Google Pixel 7 has just 90 Hz refresh rate, and Google Pixel 7 Pro has 120 Hz refresh rate with LTPO display, and Google Pixel 7 has 4355 mAh of battery and Google Pixel 7 Pro has 5000 mAh battery. And here comes the processor. So in these two mobiles they used a processor called Tensor G2, the second generation processor. So when you hear the Tensor processor, the first thing comes in your mind is heating issue. The processor gives a best performance for the mobile, but it heats a lot. So like that, the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro's mobiles also having some heat issues, but not too much of heat, but you can able to feel the heat on the backside of the mobile. And let's come to the eye of the mobile, the camera. So in Pixel 7 they have two cameras in backside. They have 50 megapixel primary camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. On in Pixel 7 Pro they have three cameras in backside. The primary camera is 50 megapixel and the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera same as 7, and they have just added a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. So the main specialty of Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is they have many AI features. So for example, so in your mobiles if you want to access Google Assistant means you need to say okay Google, and after that only you can able to access your Google Assistant. But in Pixel you just set up some settings means you can access the Google Assistant without saying okay Google or hey Google, like for attend a call or reject a call, like that. They have many AI features in this mobile. So let me say some AI features that in Pixel mobile. So one is unblur option. So if you are having a blur image means by using the AI feature, but you can able to unblur the image, make it clear. And the another AI option is like removing objects from a photo. So if in your background of a photo there is any unwanted objects means you can able to remove that object by using the AI feature. And let's come to the price. The Google Pixel 7 is cost about $599 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro cost about $899. So that's about the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Comment below your thoughts about these mobiles, and also comment below are you buy these mobiles or not. So that's about this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments, I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off from Mr. Aravind.